pharmacy rotations. Tell me about a time you had to manage a complex medication regimen for a patient.
So in our case though, during our rotation at Ciudad de Hospital, we were involved in the care of patients with multiple chronic conditions and complex medication needs.
That's right, Doc. We reviewed their medications first, identified potential drug interaction, and worked closely with the physician to optimize their regimen.
Yeah, that's right. We also provided patient education and counseling to ensure they understood their medications and how to manage their conditions effectively.
That's excellent. It sounds like you have a strong understanding of pharmacotherapy and patient safety. What are your thoughts on the role of technology in clinical pharmacy practice?
I believe technology plays a crucial role in improving patient care and optimizing medication management. I'm particularly interested, or we are interested, in using electronic health records to track patient medication history, identify potential drugs interaction, and facilitate communication between healthcare providers.
I'm also eager to explore the use of mobile health applications and other digital tools to enhance patient engagement and adherence.
I agree. We are committed to our integrating technology into our practice to improve patient outcomes. What are some of your strengths that would make you a valuable asset to our team?
Motivated and detail-oriented individual with excellent communication and interpersonal skills. I'm also a collaborative team player and I'm passionate about providing high-quality patient care.
I'm confident in our ability to contribute to the team's success and make a positive impact on the patient's lives.
That's great to hear. Do you have any questions for me about the room or the department?
Yes, we are curious about the department's focus on medication, safety, and error prevention.
Like what are some of the initiatives you have in place to promote a culture of safety?
That's a great question. We have a strong commitment to patient safety and we are constantly looking for ways to improve our process. We also prioritize staff education and training to ensure everyone is aware of best practice and safety protocols.
That's very reassuring. Redstack and I are passionate about patient safety and we're eager to contribute to a department that shares those values.
Thank you for your interest, Ms. Sharipa and Ms. Rizna. We'll be in touch soon to let you guys know our decision. Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you so much, Dr. Riza, for your time and for having us in your room today. So, yeah, that's right. And we enjoy a lot, or we wanted to learn more about in your department. Thank you so much.
That's right, Doc. Thank you for having us.